The E63 error code on a washing machine indicates a problem with the main electronic control board, which occurs when there is a communication issue between the electrical panels. This error can be caused by faulty wiring or connections, or a faulty electronic control board itself. To fix the issue, start by power cycling the washer. Switch it off, unplug it from the power outlet, and leave it off for approximately 30 minutes before plugging it back in and powering it up to. Check if the error code persists. If the error remains, inspect the wiring and connections on the electronic control board by powering off the washer, unplugging it, unscrewing the control panel, and locating the control board to check the wire harness and connections. Secure any loose connections found and replace damaged wires. After reassembling the washer and plugging it back in, check if the error code still appears. If the wiring is intact and the error persists, replacing the electronic control board may be necessary to resolve the issue.